students, this is SriRam Shastri. I once again welcome you back to my new video session. In this particular video, I am going to show you how you can draw a mature ovum structure. So we'll start with this. Okay, first you can draw the ovum here like this, a spherical structure. Then surrounding it, you can draw the vitelline membrane or plasma membrane. You can show the perivitelline space. Okay, you can show the perivitelline space here. Then you can also show the thick layer of the zona pellucida. Okay, so this is zona pellucida. And along with that, you can show the layer of cells which surrounds the ovum, which is called as the corona radiata. You can show numerous cells in its surroundings which generally form a protective layer to avoid multiple fertilization or multiple sperm entry. Corona radiata cells. Okay, like this you can show. You can put the nucleus later. Clear. So like this you can show them in different way. Okay, now you can show here a nucleus of the ovum, and you can show what you call as the ooplasm. Clear. So this is the mature ovum. So you can label it now as possible. Okay, so you can label it the outer one, this structure itself as ovum. Okay, then this is a perivitelline space, perivitelline space. Okay, so this is the ooplasm. This is ooplasm, right? So this outer layer, you can say it is zona pellucida, and this layer of cells is corona radiata. Clear. So you can put it here also, like this is nucleus. You can show what you call as animal pole and vegetal pole also. Okay, so this is the complete diagram of mature ovum in human beings. You can draw it and practice it for your further second PUC exams. I would like to stop this video here itself. In the next video, we'll continue with the structure of human sperm. Thank you.